in one day because of the yeah. You know the secret. If you are, I give you one tip. If you have a sound, if you are a video, and if you make a edit, make your sound slow only. After that, it will not strike 100% by. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, just remember what I told you. For the video, if they have a background sound, you make slow, little slower to the background sound or the sounds. So you will never strike again. Okay, thank you. Shukriya.